Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Patil, and in this video I am going to show you that how to open a browser and close a browser. Okay, so let's start. So I am using a CodeBlocks IDE to run C program. Okay, so these are the three header files that we will require in our program, that is stdio.h, windows.h and mmsystem.h. So before going ahead, I will tell you that there is one setting in compiler section. In linker setting, we will have to add vnmm.library compulsory. Okay, so without forgetting, add vnmm.library, otherwise program will not get executed. Okay, so let's start our program. We have declared here one character array to take input from user. Okay, so here is some welcome message. Then I am taking input. As in C language we use scanf, but to take but to consider space, we are using getS. Okay, so here I am using getS and comparing this character array with the string we want to match. Okay, so I am comparing ch with open Google. So suppose if user types open Google, then Google should be open. Okay, so the main point comes here, that if you want to open browser, then how? Okay, so if you want to open browser, there is one function named shell execute. So I will just copy this function here and paste it, right? So suppose if you want to open Google, then we have to pass the URL of that website in third parameter, right? What I have to do is to open Chrome. Suppose if I want to open Google, right? So I will just copy this path and paste it here in double quotations. Okay, if you want to open Google, I have just copied the path and pasted it here. Okay, so we will just compile the program and run it, and we will check whether the Google is opening or not. Okay, so if I type open Google, yes, you can see as the Google is loading. Okay, so the next part comes, that how to close the browser. So to close browser, there is a function named system. Okay, so system is what system does, like it kills the task. Like if my Chrome is open, then I am killing that task. Okay, so you can write here according to the browser use, like if you use Internet Explorer or a Brave or Opera Mini or any browser, you can change that .exe according to it. Okay, so I will just rerun the program and I will check whether my Chrome is getting closed or not. As you can see, my Chrome is open, right? So if I write here close Chrome, okay, you can see that my Chrome has been closed. Okay, so this was the video that shows that how to open browser and close the browser. There is our page named Code Editors on Instagram. You can go there and follow it. So that's all. Thank you for watching video. So do subscribe our channel. Thank you.